Let's see how much I can do inside of a tent. Props get stuck in the fabric. This is fun. Oh, I think I went through with a roll. Kind of hard to be creative inside a tiny tent like that. I wonder if I could do like a Rubik's Cube. I don't know if a Rubik's Cube is possible. Let's try it. Why not? A Rubik's Cube is when you do a half flip and then you do a full roll and then you do another half flip. In this size space, just doing a single roll is hard. You don't really have enough time. It ends up being a full flip and a full roll really fast. Feels nearly impossible, but that's what a Rubik's Cube is. Ooh, whoa, that was actually kind of close.
If you could land on an eagle, what will you do?
I don't know. What would you do? Hey, that I kind of landed that one. Man. Ooh, I think that was it. Hopefully that's good. I look it back, it might be really sloppy. So I think I'll probably keep trying until this battery's dead. Push on this little John to its limit. Oh, yes, yes. That was another maybe good one. Battery's dead very last try. Hey, I call it. That was good. I think that was good. Yeah, hopefully. We'll go look at that, but whew. I'll take it. That was a Rubik's Cube inside of a tent. On to the next drone. This is a 1S HD version instead of 2S. Ooh, it's so chunky feeling. It feels like I'm flying now. Went from flying a little fast race car to a boat. Let's try the bounce first here. Yeah. Dogs found a nest of baby bunnies. Gonna have to move them. Baby bunnies had to do a little rescue mission. Oh, right to the face. That's why I wear these giant goggles. Let's move to inside the tent. Sometimes you have some dumb ideas, but they're fun. So we'll see. Sure. Yes. Staying inside the tent with a power loop or over your face with this, what would this be? Maybe 5 foot ceiling? Yeah, that's challenging. It's doable, but it's challenging. I'm actually closing my eyes as it goes in front of my face because I know it's going so close. Call that a good Maggie. That was fun. Ripping whoops in a tent. I've wanted to do that for a while. I'm glad it finally worked out. Thanks for hanging out.